My name is Hannah Gemma from the DevCenter Analytics team, and I'm excited to be here today to talk to you about acquisition analytics for your apps. As an app developer, you can use the acquisition analytics in DevCenter to see how your customers are acquiring and installing your application. Let's take a look. The acquisitions report in the DevCenter dashboard lets you see who has acquired and installed your application. At the top of the page, you can select the time period for which you want to show data. The default selection is 30 days, but you can choose to show data for 3, 6, or 12 months, or for a custom date range. You can also select the 1 hour or 72-hour view to show acquisition data in real time. These time periods only apply to the App Daily tab of the Acquisitions chart, as well as the Acquisition tab of the Markets chart on this report. Expanding the Filters section, you can apply page-level filters to sort by market and/or by device type. Card-level filters are also available for each particular chart. You can also download the analytics individually on each card by selecting the download icon. The acquisitions chart shows you the number of customers who acquired a license for your app. Selecting App Cumulative gives analytics on the life-to-date acquisitions for your app. Once a customer has acquired a license for your app, they can install it. The installs chart shows how many times customers have successfully installed your app on Windows 10 devices, including Xbox One consoles. The total install count includes multiple installs and reinstalls, but does not adjust the total count for when someone uninstalls your app. The acquisition funnel shows the number of customers who viewed your app product description page in the Microsoft Store, whether or not they were logged into their Microsoft account. Acquisitions shows the subset of those individuals who purchased your app when they were logged into their Microsoft account. In addition, an acquisition here only counts if the customer acquired your app within 48 hours of viewing its store listing page. Installs then shows the subset of those who acquired your app and then went on to install it within 48 hours of the acquisition. We also show a breakdown of acquisitions and installs by market. Use the drop-down to see your data in a table view. Customer demographic information is also available, showing a breakdown by age and gender of those who acquired your application. App page views and conversions by channel gives great data insights into how customers were directed to your store's product description page, and selecting conversions will show you insights into the effectiveness of custom campaigns by showing you the total number of customers who acquired your app through that channel. App page views and conversions by campaign ID gives you a breakdown of which campaigns led to page views of your product description page and then led to a conversion. If a custom campaign by someone else resulted in a page view or acquisition of your app, those custom campaigns are also listed here. Use the filter to select additional campaigns not displayed on the chart. Except for installs and the acquisition funnel, these same analytics can be seen on the add-on acquisition report. Thanks for walking through the acquisition analytics report in DevCenter with me. For more information, please select the link below.